Hi students, lines 36 KTU December 2019. Elevation length of a line is 60 mm. The elevation makes 40 degrees to XY line, that is alpha is 40 degrees. The NDA is in HP. VT is 15 mm below HP. VT is on VP, so it's 15 mm below HP, and the line makes 30 degrees to VP. Elevation length is 60, alpha is 40, A is in HP, VT is 15 mm below XY, and phi is 30 degrees. You are asked to draw the projections and find out true length, HT and theta. Let's draw. XY line. A is in HP means A dash is on XY line. A dash. Alpha is given as 40 and elevation length is 60 mm. Draw a line at alpha. Alpha equals 40 degrees. This line contains the elevation length is 60, so this is B dash, this is 60. I repeat, locate A dash on XY because A is in HP. Alpha is 40 degrees, draw a line at alpha. Elevation length is 60, therefore locate B dash. A dash, B dash is obtained. What is remaining is VT and phi. You know VT is 15 mm below HP, so draw a line 15 mm below XY. This line will contain VT, and you also know that VT always lies on the extension of the elevation or on the elevation. So extend VT, extend the elevation. This is VT. So this is used. Now, you know that by trapezoidal construction, at the point called VT, the angle between the elevation and the true length obtained there is phi. I repeat, by trapezoidal construction, at the point called VT, the angle between elevation and the true length obtained there is called phi. You are given phi. Take phi from this elevation at VT and draw a line. Phi equals 30. This line contains true length, isn't it? This line, according to trapezoidal construction, contains true length. Where is the true length? Erect a perpendicular at A dash. Erect a perpendicular at B dash. This is capital A1, B1, and this is true length. Agreed? Capital A1, B1, true length. Now, there is nothing more with us to use. We don't have anything else to use. Okay. The projected through A dash contains A. The projected through B dash contains B. Where are they? Now, take this distance down from A, you get small a. Take this distance from XY down, you get small b, and AB is the plan. Take this distance down from XY, take this distance down from XY, and you get AB as the plan. You are doing trapezoidal construction in the reverse order, that's all. Reversing trapezoidal construction. Agreed? The drawing is over. You are asked to find out true length, HT and theta. This is true length. This is true length. To find out HT and theta, since there is a trapezoidal construction visible on the top, on the elevation, preferably do one. Preferably do one on the plan. B2. Here 0 distance. This is theta. Zero distance, this distance, through length and theta. That's all. Very simple question. Very simple question. Okay? Thank you.